From CBS News Bay Area, this is the Evening Edition.
Well, right now, millions of people in Southern California are on alert once again as extreme winds return to the region and threaten progress on the major wildfires already burning. Good evening. I'm Ryan Yamamoto. Firefighters are still dealing with those 3 big fires happening right now, along with a new one that forced evacuations overnight in Ventura County. Here's a look at the hills above Santa Clarita today. You can see the wind whipping around that brush, and because of the wind threat, thousands of personnel were pre-positioned in potential trouble spots and all around Southern California. Nearly 100,000 people remain under evacuation orders, and today emergency officials warned people all across Southern California to be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Firefighters are most concerned about flare-ups from the Palisades fire. At least 25 people are now confirmed dead, with dozens more missing. The utility company is now turning off power for tens of thousands of customers to prevent power lines from sparking any new fires. And let's give you a live look right now from high above LA County. You can see the destruction in Malibu as they zoom in on some of those communities where homes have been devastated and destroyed, neighborhoods completely wiped out. And while firefighters were able to keep the Palisades fire from growing today, our Los Angeles sister station's chopper did spot this flare-up deep in a canyon on the western side of the fire. More smoke right there. And ATF fire investigators are looking into the cause of the fire. They were seen at the top of this ridge. This is a popular hiking destination, and they were looking for any evidence. Officials are trying to determine if embers from a pre-dawn fire on New Year's Day in the Pacific Palisades may have reignited. Our Kelsi Thorud joins us live right now in the Brentwood neighborhood, where evacuations are still in place as people watch for those winds. Kelsi.
Hey, Ryan. Yeah, we're out here. We're actually right on the border of where the evacuation zone is. So you can see here behind me, this is a checkpoint. So you see that there's police out here. There's National Guard. So they're only letting in first responders and residents who can show proof that they got a permit from the city. So they're being very strict about who they're letting in this neighborhood. That is because of, as you said, there's still worry about this area. The Palisades fire still not 100% contained. They're worried worst case scenario, if something were to pick up overnight, this would be the neighborhood at risk. So that's why it's still under an evacuation order. The issue, though, a lot of residents have been out of their homes now for about a week over here, and they're starting to get frustrated. We spoke with one woman who hasn't had power in her home for a week.
It's been an exhausting week for Eileen Marie and her friend April Lee.
It's just really, it's just very difficult. It's hard to put into words being displaced like this.
Eileen lives in Brentwood, April in Pasadena. When the Eaton fire first broke out last week, April was forced to evacuate.
Literally was raining ash, like chunks, like almost like snowflakes, and you couldn't breathe.
April got out of her neighborhood safely and came over to this side of town to stay with Eileen. But then the Palisades fire grew, forcing Eileen and April to evacuate again.
So we packed up my stuff, the dogs, and went to her place in Pasadena.
The two friends have been staying at April's place in Pasadena since then. That's because Eileen's house remains without power, still right on the edge of the evacuation zone.
I've hardly slept, and it's very difficult leaving your home.
Eileen says, of course, she remains concerned about the high fire danger, but she's also concerned about security in her neighborhood.
It's just so unnerving. I don't want to complain because nobody should have to be going through what our Palisades family and friends are going through. So I'm not complaining, I'm grateful, but it's still terrifying knowing that your home and everything is just sitting there vulnerable.
Eileen says she's been coming back to her house every day and sometimes even at night to check on things. The National Guard and police are deployed throughout the area to keep it as secure as possible. Eileen told us she is thankful for all their help. She and April are just holding on to hope that the worst of the flames has passed and this whole frightening experience will finally end soon.
I feel like, yeah, finally it's taken a turn for the hopefully better, and it'll remain this way. I'm praying, really praying hard.
The good news, Ryan, is that the winds that were expected to really gust through here today didn't. We did not see really any wind in this area, so that is really good news. But as we've said earlier, the fire crews, of course, are going to stay out here all night. They're still blocking off this area. It is still technically under an mandatory evacuation order, so residents are not being allowed in here. The power to this entire neighborhood is still shut off. So while today looked really good, we're still not out of the woods yet. They're still looking at tonight and into tomorrow. And then after that, hopefully people will be able to come back into their homes here.
And Kelsi, this fire and this firestorm has been going on for more than a week right now. And I'm guessing just that fatigue is now starting to set in, not just for firefighters, but for all those residents. But you had mentioned, is there a sense of optimism that maybe the worst is already over?
Yeah, there really is. You know, a lot of people we talked with here this afternoon didn't even realize that there was still kind of a high fire risk today because they're looking out. I mean, it was a beautiful day in the neighborhood here today. There was not wind. It was sunny. It's, you know, a little chilly in the 60s. So people feel optimistic, but they also know what happened last week, and they're not, you know, going to wait around just in case something bad happens. So they're taking these evacuation orders seriously, but a lot of residents do feel hopeful, like they're in the clear and they're ready to just get back into their homes as soon as it's safe.
And speaking of the weather, I think for the first time, it actually looks like clear skies behind you.
Yeah, it's really nice. We have not seen smoke over here all day long. So the air quality is good. I don't smell any smoke. You know, we went up into the neighborhoods a little earlier this afternoon just to check out the actual evacuation zone. We didn't see any flames or any smoke from the canyon on the other side. We're in Brentwood, and then it's Mandeville Canyon is the area just kind of a little bit north of us. That's the area that burned over the weekend. So that's why they were so concerned about this area, because we did see a nearby neighborhood burn, but we have not seen any smoke. So that's a really good sign.
Yeah, good sign there. A little bit better, but still not completely out of the woods. Okay, Kelsi Thorud reporting live in the Brentwood area of Los Angeles. Thank you very much for joining us.